my controls. There's those winds again, absolutely insane. That spun around to a 40 knot northeast quartering headwind. Oh man, I don't think this is going to end well. We'll see. There it goes again. Yeah, something's up with this scenery. Something's up for me with this guy. Look at those winds swirling. OMG. Wow. Holy cow. That swung around to 112 knots. Holy smokes. Okay. Let's see if we can put this down and not skip and bounce down the runway.
500.
This is just going to be get it on the ground. Not sure.
100 above.
Wow, those winds are insanely
Minimum.
all over the place. Something's up with this.
Flight slow. Flight slow.
I'm just getting this on the ground.
Slow.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard.
Wow, that was surprisingly much better than what I've been dealing with. No crazy textures on the runways, no gaps, no offsets. It's a little blurry, but not bad. Those crazy winds were back though. Yeah, see ya? There they are again. Yep, those weird textures. Okay. Well, let's vacate here.